In this video, we're going to talk about 10 ways that you can make money on Instagram, how you can monetize Instagram that actually work. So I actually got this particular topic from a blog post that was posted by Wix, and I'm going to run through some of these proposed ways that you can make money on Instagram. And we're going to be going through all 10 of these ways, but I'm going to replace some of the ways that they mentioned with ways that we can make money on Instagram. So if you're interested in this, you want to make money on Instagram and monetize, let's go. Let's take flight. In this video, we're going to go through 10 of these, like I said, but I'm going to replace some of these with ways that I feel like are more lucrative and what I see happening in the digital space right now as it goes. So number one is partner with a brand. In order to partner with a brand, you need to have a couple of things in place. Number one, you need to know your audience that you're marketing to. Number two, you need to know your analytics. And then third, you need to know the brands that you actually want to collaborate with that will be a good fit to create with that audience. You don't want to have anything that is a misalignment with your content and then makes your audience feel as though you're creating things that just aren't in line with them or trying to sell them something. That is the quickest and easiest way for you to lose your loyalty with your audience. So I would say for partnering with brands, I would go to sites like there's Bilibili. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but there's Bilibili. There is also some other brands. I'll go ahead and link down below my top 10 places to find brand deals for creators. And you can get that list. You can go ahead and download that list below. It's actually on my tools list. So if you go ahead and text this number here, you'll get a full list of the tools and also the brands that I recommend that you work along with. All right, when you're first getting started. Secondly, get paid by Instagram as a creator. This is really great. I think that monetization on Instagram is something that we should be talking about. As you all know, I talk about it a lot here, but you do need to have a lot of followers or a lot of views. If you don't have the followers, you need to have the views. Okay. So know and understand that if you don't have a gazillion views on your content, you may not be invited to embark on the Instagram creator program. However, on Facebook, you may actually have some monetization features that are available to you there because Facebook is a little bit more lenient. So hate to throw those two in, but we all know that Instagram's owned by Facebook, but I want to let y'all know you might have some money over there on Facebook. Okay. So with Instagram, just know you will need to have a lot of views or a lot of followers in order to monetize. Thirdly, usually you need to have at least 10,000. So let me say that. Okay. Don't comment y'all just yet. You need to have at least 10,000 followers in order to be invited into the creator program on Instagram. Third, open an Instagram shop. Yes, yes, and yes. If you sell physical products, books, sweaters, shirts, hats, necklaces, anything that's physical, even, whatever, glasses, whatever you sell, if you have physical products, then you should have an Instagram shop. So you do want to open up an Instagram shop. We'll do a separate video. I'll add that one to the Notion board as well to show you all how to open up an Instagram shop. I believe I might have one, but it may be a little dated. So I'll do an updated version. Okay, number 4 is become an affiliate. Affiliates are absolutely great ways for you to monetize on Instagram. I think for affiliates, we're going to go back to point number 1 is to make sure that you partner with a brand that is going to serve your target audience. So you really need to have a deep understanding of what your audience is coming to you for, and then serve them that content with a link. Okay. Like I know for sure that most of you all are probably interested in either brand deals and collaborations and digital tools. So a lot of my affiliate deals are connected to digital tools or my neck, where is it at? My heating pad for my neck, because we all sitting in a desk or doing some type of editing or content creation. So you want to make sure that it relates back to your audience. And plus my audience is of an older caliber most of the time because we are the ones that invented cool. So anyway, all right. So make sure you have that connection there. All right. Number 5 is to drive traffic to your website. If you have an online store, you're utilizing the store on Instagram, I would say for this one, make sure that you have a link in bio. So we're going to replace the drive traffic to your website with have a link in bio that directly correlates with the things that you sell. So that link in bio should have your books, should have your website as well, but have also workshops and classes, which we'll get into in just a second. Number 6, offer Instagram marketing services. This isn't for everyone. Just because you know how to create on Instagram doesn't mean now you should start teaching or doing Instagram marketing, because Instagram marketing is something you have to stay upon and on top of all the time. And it's difficult to do that if you are a high content creating person, individual. Okay. So I'm going to step back on that. We're going to X out that one. Instead of offering Instagram marketing services, what I will say instead of that is to offer an ebook on whatever your expertise is. Offering either an ebook or a workshop or a course on the particular topic that you know your audience wants to hear more about, instead of just thinking, okay, no, let's go ahead and go into marketing. And I'm not saying that because I'm a marketer. I'm saying that because I've seen other people try to do it and they've gotten burned out. Don't do it to yourself. Stay on your topic, stay on what you know and what you're doing, and then listen to your audience. Now, if your audience is telling you, we want you to teach us Instagram marketing, completely different conversation. But if you're talking about, let's say, growing plants or something like that, or investing in cryptocurrency or something, stick to that and create a book, class, workshop, whatever around that. Okay, number 7 is selling photos, illustrations, or digital files. I stand with this, but number 7, I think I'm going to strike out the illustrations and selling photos, and I'm going to really focus in on the digital files. People will pay for an audio of you giving inspirational messages if you do motivational content, or motivational content if that's what you do, right? They will pay for audio of you doing that, where it's like, hey, I'm doing an exclusive 30-minute meditation or affirmations or meditate or something. I'm trying to think of a different one, but something like that. And you can charge for that. You can use a platform like Gumroad or Payhip so that they can get the audio download, and that can be something that goes into a link in bio. Okay, so we're looking at strategy here. How do we put these all together and combine them to have a strategy, a digital strategy that works for you? Number 8 is offer exclusive content. I just literally said that. Digital content, exclusive content, can be one and the same, but I would go ahead and strike out the offer exclusive content and just put that with digital files. And instead, on number 8, I would say licensed content. If you have content that is doing well on Reels, if you have video content that does well, you get a lot of views, license your content out. Tell people, hey, you know what? You can buy my video for X amount of days or months. Or if you want a non-exclusive right, if you want me to just create a video for you that will go viral, license that out to someone or to a company. Even start to look at those corporate companies, those folks that need that content, and start to license that content out to them. Dropship products. I'm going to strike this one out 9 as well. Instead of drop shipping products, what I'll replace that with is create your own branded products. So you can use a platform such as Printful. You can use Printful to create your own branded products. We actually offer this as a service where we will go in and create branded products that we know the audience wants from a celebrity or someone that has a lot of influence, and create branded products that they can sell in their link in bio. Once again, we're going to the strategy of the link in bio. Then 10, create an Instagram feature account. I'm going to strike that one. So I wouldn't start a whole new Instagram account because that is a lot of work that you don't want to do. Instead of creating a whole new Instagram feature account, what I want you to do for number 10 is I actually want you to go in and I want you to ask what your audience wants. And then I want you to do a specific number of live streams and then do a specific number of live streams for number 10. And then I want you to combine those and I want you to repurpose them and put them into a course and sell them. Or I want you to repurpose that content into little bites and pieces into mini courses that you can then sell. You can put that up on Udemy. You can put it up on, there's other ones. I can't remember the other learning platform that's on LinkedIn, but LinkedIn has their own learning platform. There's a bunch of other places where you can place your content that you've already recorded, that you recorded in real time, and just have someone edit it and make it look really nice and professional, and utilize that either in your link in bio or put it in places and spaces where people already are. If you want to take this an additional step further, you can take those videos, which is something we offer as well, and turn it into an actual book. Okay, video to book. And then you're going to take that book, you can put it up on Amazon, or you can just go ahead and get it printed by Amazon and ship it out yourself, or give it to a third-party distributor so they can ship it out for you as well. So there's a lot of different ways for you to make money on Instagram. I just gave you 10 different ways. I took some of them ways off because they ancient, okay? They old. And so I want you to be up to date and ready and willing to monetize your Instagram. Any questions, class? Please go ahead and leave your questions down below in the comment section. Let me know, which one of these 10 ways are you going to use to monetize your Instagram? Let me know down in the comment section. Make sure you join our Facebook group. If you're loving this content, then you definitely want to join our Facebook group. So make sure you go ahead and click the link in the description to do that as well. I got a couple of other videos here that I think you will love. So make sure you go ahead and check out the video that's popping up here above my head in the card. And I hope to see you again in the next video. Jawspeaksdigital. Peace. So you've watched this video. Go ahead and watch more videos here on my channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to get more notifications on when I upload the next video that's going to teach you all about monetization, everything you wanted to know. Peace.